Dear subscribers, today here we presents Deeply Fun with My Ugliness by Tana Anam. This is Shahbaz Ahmad Khan and you are listening to Free Minds Club. I am flying. Love yourself. No one loves you more than you. I am ugly, people used to say, but I am deeply fallen with my ugliness. No scars can stop me. Love your scars, make it your part of journey. I am flying. Let's fly. Pain given by own hurt the most. Self-rejection is the real rejection of your life. Omit those demotive words. Fall in love with yourself. I am deeply fallen with my ugliness. I am flying. Let's fly.